Hi, welcome back to Miss MJ's YouTube channel. I'm so happy to see you here today. If you'd like to learn more about these videos, please like and subscribe to my channel to get weekly updates. Today, we are going to learn about something scientists do. Did you know that you are already a scientist? Because you ask questions, you look for things to experiment with, and you're always exploring new things. I'll show you what scientists do in our video today as we make an experiment together. So scientists like to form something called a hypothesis. Can you say hypothesis? Yeah, hypothesis. It's a long and tricky word. It means that scientists at this moment, they say, if we do this in an experiment, then this will happen. As you can see today, we have some materials on our table. Scientists also gather materials and write them down so that they know how to share this experiment with other people, and they know what they'll need if they want to do it again. Our materials are white flowers, red, yellow, and blue food coloring, 6 cups with water, and some flowers should be cut out to the height of your cup. Now, I think that if we put these flowers in water with food coloring, this white flower might turn into the same color as the water. What do you think? Do you think it will turn the color, or will it stay white? Well, we were just doing what scientists do. I was asking you a question. So, scientists make hypotheses. They say, if we do this, then this happens. They gather and write down their materials. They ask questions like, what will happen if I put it in black water? What will happen if I put flowers in blue water? Or why does it happen? Or why does it not happen? So all the questions that you have are what scientists do. Now, of course, scientists don't just stay with the question in their brain. Scientists experiment with these questions. Are you ready to try this experiment with me? Yeah? All right, let's do it. Gather all your materials and come back to the screen to do this together. Now, the next thing scientists do is give the steps of what they're going to do. This is called a procedure. That's another big word. Procedure. Can you say that? Yes, procedure. A procedure is when scientists tell us what we need to do, what steps we need to take to make this experiment happen. So the first thing you need to do is fill your cups with some water, just like I did. Cut your flowers to fit your cups. And now we are going to add some food coloring to the water. I'm going to do something that we have talked about in my other videos, mixing colors. Here we go. I'm going to start with red, the first color of rainbow order. Went all to the bottom. I'm going to grab my flower and I'm going to mix up my red. Let's see if it changes color. Ooh. That is a really cool red color. Look, red. I'm going to add 2 flowers in each cup. My next color, what do you think it'll be? It's the mix between red and yellow. What do you think? Yes, it's going to be orange. I'm going to add a tiny bit of red. And a little bit more yellow. I'll grab my flour again and mix, mix, mix. What do you think is next? We have red, orange, yellow. That's right. Yellow. What do you think is next? This color is after yellow in rainbow order, and it's the mix between yellow and blue. Yeah, it's green. Here we go. Next up is blue. And finally, what color do you think it is? It's the mix between red and blue. Yes, purple. Here are my rainbow colored waters. That is one deep purple. It's very dark. I will wait and observe like a scientist does. That means look really closely at what's happening to my flowers, and then I'll come back to you and tell you all that's happening. Come back next week if you want to know what happened in my science experiment, and good luck to all of you in yours. See you next Friday.